of all persons should have known say the king must have eyes in every corner of the kingdom.
I'm gonna get to understand say this black and you're black in a war.
But Mr. Savage, you seem to have been out of touch for a minute. Cause as far as I know, that is ancient history.
Ancient history. I could come up in a modern times. You're black over 30. You get to understand say it nah run so right at all, brother. Something wrong in your kingdom.
You only mentioning glitches that have already been fixed and peace prevails.
I like that, man. I like that. I'm get to understand say this peace we are talking about. Peace there, but peace still left to fix. And personally, I plan to fix it.
You know, now that you mention it, that's not such a bad idea at all. Because people tend to think that the wheat and the tail should grow until the day of harvest. But I think it's high time to do a little legal reading of the things. What says you? And I think you are the perfect person to fix it.
What you say? So what really go on? It sounds like you get back as the king in the kingdom. So tell me something. Me get to understand say it is and stone face them and all them guys. Everything look like it coming together, but there's a problem in the middle. You know anything about that?
Well, to put it simply, there was a main instigator of that upsurge you refer to. And for a minute we think the problem was underground. However, it was not quite a finished job. Plus, based on him having availability, we think him have some sympathizers or a following, if you will. And for really and truly, I would have loved if you could have come deal with it and do that reading out so it be done legally, so we can have a more lasting peace, because we'll have peace among us and peace with the security forces.
King, you know me always have some ratings to you, right? I know he's a man in the streets and all of this, but I hear you mention you want things done legally. Remember that little hustle that we used to do? That done with?
That is all forgotten, my friends. Strictly legit. And that is the reason why I am willing to sacrifice a few for the benefit of the many. Because I have some major community development project coming up that will be beneficial to everyone involved and make you and your squad them job easy.
Well, King man, sound good to me, you know. I'll stew them here so now over there and things, so alright, sound good. I go and come over there and fix the problem.
I would appreciate that.
But King, you still not tell me one little thing.
What is that?
Where do you?
Well, I have shut up very quick. And before you run with it, it's so happening of a cousin, Kareem, who have a food business. Which, tie in very tight with a projected feeding program that I want to start. So I plan to give him the business and give him the strength.
Quick. Kareem. Cooking. King man. Sound like we're on the same plate.
Don't worry. This is just the beginning.
Carry on, my general. Carry on.
I intend